we get a new journal prompt idea sheet. These are all the ideas that we're going to be using for this month. Let's quickly read through them. I'm still waiting for Andy to find his page. Folders should be closed so that they're not in your way. Flop. Okay, everybody found your page. Tiger, we're right here. So you should be right here. We're looking at our September page. Okay, these are all our prompt ideas for this month. Number 1, goodbye summer, I'll miss you. Number 2, 20 things I can do outside. The worst day ever. Number 4, if I had a tree house. Number 5, apples, pie, orchard, caramels, anything you could write about apples. Number 12, convince your parents that you need a dragon, or a birthday party, or a nap, or no more homework. Number 13, pets. Yes. 14, I found a magic leaf on my way to school. 15, 10 horrible class rules. You get to create what you think would be terrible rules. Number 16, meet my family. Number 17, I looked through the keyhole and saw, so this would be someone looking through a hole in the door. And what did you see when you looked through And the last idea prompt for this month, number 20, a blank knocked at my classroom door. Maybe a monster knocked. Maybe a big apple knocked at your door. This is the way journal prompt works. This is our first time, so we're learning how to do it. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, somebody gets to pick one of our prompts. And that's what we focus on for today. So today it is Ethan's turn. Ethan gets to pick the number that we're going to write about today. So Ethan, look through your prompts and tell us the number you're choosing. On the top of your page, you notice this nice big blank space?
Yeah.
That is where you're going to, here's your page, here's the nice big blank space, and here's your first line. You're going to write the number. So this is number what?
15.
15. We're using number 15 from our prompt page. I'll let you do that, Aya.
Big 15.
Right there on that first line. And then you're going to write the name of our prompt. What is our prompt?
10 horrible class rules.
Good. Today I'll start by reading what I wrote, and then I will choose 2 others. 10 horrible class rules. Miss Swamp, remember Miss Swamp from our story yesterday? Okay, this is her. Miss Swamp marched into the classroom and posted these 10 rules on the smartboard. Number 1, no talking ever. No whispering. If you do, you will write a 10-page paper. Number 2, you may not go to the bathroom until the end of the school day. You may need to wear diapers to school. Number 3, if I catch you chewing gum, you will have to stick the gum in your hair, and I will take scissors and I will cut it out. Number 4, no laughing. No disrespect is allowed in the classroom. Number 5, if you make a mistake, you will be sent to the hallway for 30 minutes. Number 6, no having fun at school. Learning is serious. Number 7, every word must be spelled correctly or else.
You'll be sorry.
Number 8, if you cry, you will be sent home. And number 9, no birthdays. And Miss Swamp did not get to finish writing her 10th rule because the time went out. So did I use my imagination?
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you welcome to use your imagination?
Yeah.
Yes. So let's see what one of you have. We're going to let 2 people share. If you're super nervous for this first time, if you want to pass, you're allowed to, but I encourage you. We will not laugh at you.
I really would.
10 horrible class rules. No recess, no laughing, no having fun, no smiling, no summer vacation, no weekends off, no holidays off, no eating, no drinking.
Oh, God.
My favorite, no going to that school.
I'm so
Oh,
hungry.
man. And he made a nice list, right? Can you do that?
I did
It
that.
works good. Let's go ahead and applaud our classmates. where you're doing C's, E's, and F's. 13, G, J, and Q. Then, should we go on to 14?
No.
Yes, 12 to 15. So 14, you're going to be doing U, S, V, and P. And then finally, 15, you're going to do R, N, M, and H. Okay? Should you rush through your handwriting? No, take your time, make sure it's your very best writing. Now, any questions on handwriting? Okay, close it and flop it. Close and flop. Anybody remember where you go for phonics? Yeah, good. So when you get over here, you're going to be working with your group, and remember, first of all, get your pillows and spread them out in a circle. So if you have 3 of you, make it like this so you can all face each other. Then you need to get your clipboard, and you need to get your phonics sheet. It looks like this week, and I'll talk about it in just a minute. And if you look up here, what else should you bring? Don't forget your pencil. So when you get back there, have your pencil ready, get a clipboard, get your sheet. Where do you go for other? Point. Where should you go for other? Aha! Do you remember this is the station where you have with Miss Andrea, right? Today, where did I put it? You will be completing a September craft. Every month we have a craft. And this is a beautiful autumn tree that you're going to be creating over here with Miss Andrea. She will tell you the directions of how to do it. But you're going to create leaves with tissue paper. You're going to put branches. You're going to pick a poem to go with your autumn tree. And this beautiful thing that you do will be posted in the hallway for everybody to get to see. So we can decorate for September. Mrs. Gunther, your final station. Last week, we completed a story chart. Remember, it looks like this. And we did, remember the story we did our story chart over? What story did we use? A Fine, Fine School. And we did this together. Now this week, you're going to choose one of the 3 stories we've read together. We have read Miss Nelson is Missing. We have read First Day Jitters. And we've also read Petunia. Those are 3 stories we've read together in the first week of school. You get to choose the story you want to use, and you're going to be completing a story chart on your own. So this is a you do story chart. I want to see if you can do it by yourself now. As soon as I blow the whistle, you can find station 1. Use your chart to figure out where you go.
Choose one color of the tissue paper. Look at me very good. Then you're gonna push it. You're gonna hold it, and then you're gonna push it. Push the turn. Okay.
You could.
Like this. Then you use the white glue. Only one drop of the glue.
You can, but I wouldn't say that they're major characters, but you may. I would still consider it.
Nathan, one drop of the glue.
Okay, so
then
in the past, did this story happen way in the past?
Then you push it down
Could it be happening today?
on the branch
Or is it
and take it out.
way
Everybody look. This is the one I made.
Is that ghost?
How did you get it hooked? Okay, time has begun.
Oh, okay, got it. I need
So first of all, you need to grab a pencil. You can use my Okay, perfect. Once you decided on your story, write where it says book title. Write your book title. So you write that on your title. So Ayel? Yeah. Right where it says title, go ahead and write your title. That's your book of choice. Good, and then you can start working at your own pace. We've done this before, so now you're going to start with your setting. That is your who and where. Who are your main characters? Yeah, good. But then don't forget the main character. Who's your main character? Yeah, that's important. Okay, so now, Ayel, for setting, you're going to list where does this story happen? And you can use the book to remind yourself if you forget. There's two main places that it happens. And also, in your setting, don't forget to include when. Did it happen in the past? Could it be happening now? Or is it happening in the future? School, and then where else did it happen? There's kind of two places. School, and where does it start?
Sidewalk. I found it. Sidewalk. Okay, guys, do you know where Demont is?
What is yeah?
Is that the rooster? Or is that the oh, it's her long neck. It's a book. Smart. Good idea. Station 4. Clean up for the next group and get into your final station. And I need your clipboards, so snap your clipboards. Give me your over on your page. Okay, lay your paper off. Good. Down. Good. That's your paper. On your paper. Good job. Good. Now,
Thank you, Emma.
you should have your own
Thank you. Bye, guys.
Okay. And grab a clipboard, grab a pencil. And while I'm finding your paper, pick the story that you're going to choose to write about. Yay! I think everybody got checked now. Okay. Can anybody tell me why we did not get to go with the rest of the students for recess?
We weren't ready.
We weren't ready. Many of you lined up. Did you get checked?
Yeah.
No. There were about 5 of you that lined up. If you have not seen me do this to you, a thumbs up. There's one right here. If you have not seen me give you a thumbs up, that means you have not been checked. It means something's still on your desk. So how do you get a teacher check?
Stand behind your seat.
What do you do first?
Clean up.
Clean up. Everything gets taken off your desk except what?
Folder and pencil.
Folder and pencil. You push in your chair, you raise your hand, and then you get checked. If you line up, I'm going to call you right back to get checked. So now we are about 5 minutes late for recess. Are we ready now? Okay, I'm going to take you to recess today.